Hello and welcome to our commercial solar series. Today's video, we're going to cover the top 20 brands that have made enormous investments into solar and three that may actually be very surprising to you. So if you are an owner of commercial real estate or a business and you're looking at reducing expenses or increasing your asset value or converting expense into cash, solar is a great platform and avenue to be able to do that. And you might be able to start to surmise that when you see the names on this list, mainly because you're going to know them all. These are the most major brands in the world. And when we take a look at it, the ones that are going to be really easy for you to see right away are the major tech brands, right? So you have Apple, you have Amazon, you have Google, you have Facebook. And then also your big box stores. You're going to have Walmart. You're going to have Target. You're going to have IKEA. You're going to have Kohl's. You're going to have Costco, Home Depot. So all of these major brands have made enormous investments into solar. And you might start to question as to, well, why did they do that? The main reasons that they've indicated they decided to go solar is one, to get a handle on future energy costs, improve their brand image, meet or exceed carbon footprint goals, and then obviously the main reason, it provides long-term savings. All of these companies, they answer to investors, and they have actual actuaries and professional purchasers who make these purchases. So they scrutinize every line before they go ahead and make these kind of purchases. And we're talking about, like an average business owner that we deal with, they need anywhere from a 300 to 1 megawatt size system. So that's a big system. Apple has 398 megawatts, Amazon 369 megawatts, Walmart 331 megawatts. So, they're like 300 to 400 times what we would consider one of our larger projects, and could be as much as 1,200 times of the investment that they've made over what you would have to make to be competitive for your business and or property. Um, but the really neat part is that three of the businesses listed on here, I think, are going to be surprising to you. The first is Fifth Third Bank. So banks have now decided solar is a good investment. So they are making, they have over 80 megawatts of solar. And actually, this report that I'm sharing with you, which was last done at the end of, or I'm sorry, done in June of 2022. So it is 2 years old, but they haven't done another one yet by the Solar Means Business. But I suspect when they do, you're going to see quite a few more financial institutions and banks, as the veil has been, revealed, as they started funding some of these projects for these other major corporations and realize, wait, there's huge ROIs on this. And, they're always not only conservative about what they invest in, but you have to have an enormous ROI. So Fifth Third Bank is already on this list as of 2022, and I'm banking on the new list. Will have a few more banks and financial institutions. The next that I found surprising on the list is Lockheed Martin. So a national defense contractor. They have, they have over 30 megawatts of solar, and they don't have that many locations. So again, they saw the benefit of just getting a handle on long-term savings and increasing profitability. And then my favorite example, especially because I am native actually I'm native from New York, but I'm native enough. I've been in Florida since the late 90s, and Disney has over 55 megawatts of solar. Yeah, they actually, like, if you're ever driving on one of the main highways, you can see their fields. It just goes on and on and on of the fields that they dedicated to solar. And why I've listed them on here as a surprise is they just greenlit a second project of another 75 megawatts. So again, just more clarification and proof that these companies see the benefit. They didn't only do it once, they went now re-upped, and they're going to do even a larger project on the next go around. So there's a lot of positive opportunities for commercial and businesses to capitalize on their current reduction in energy costs and future energy solutions. And we have an amazing strategy that will actually show you how you could convert long-term savings into actual cash profit. I'm going to put that link in the description below so you can take a look at how you might be able to utilize this strategy that's really a game changer. I encourage you to at least take a closer look to see if it's something that makes sense for your business, because it really is that good in terms of what's available right now. So if you like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe so that you could be alerted for when we release new content. Thanks.